Hi, my name is Nick Mata. I will bring to you a new reggae band called Revolutionary Lions. We're in the middle of forming, so let me introduce us. We are men of peace, hope, and love. We are I and I, Rasta. We hold no hatred or judgment in heart. I have a vision of a world with peace, hope, and love. And that's what we're about. With every song I sing, tells who I and I am, holds a part of I. We all the people need to be righteous and love, not hate. We don't need no devil Selassie, no vampire wicked man bringing us down. For those who need love and hope, here is a song. It's called One Love by Bob Marley. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying, one love. Hear the children crying, one heart. Alright, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, yo, yo, yo. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks. One love, there is one question I'd really love to ask. One heart, is there a place for the hopeless in us who has hurt mankind just to save his own? Believes one love. What about the one heart? One heart. What about let's get together and feel alright? I'm pleading to mankind, one love. Whoa, yo, 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 one heart. Alright, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. One more thing, let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. One love, so when the man comes, there will be a no doom. One heart, a pity on those whose chances grow thinner. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation, saying, one love. What about the one heart? One heart. What about let's get together and feel alright? As it was in the beginning, one love. So shall it be in the end, one love. Alright, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright.